That's crazy looking. Oh, I'm getting scared. Excuse me. Whoa. No blue.
Here, our scientists, rangers, and handlers work with velociraptors, gaining insight into how they think, move, and hunt. Let's learn about these amazing creatures. Velociraptors, or raptors as they are more commonly known, are part of the Dromaeosauridae family, who first appeared in the Jurassic period, and for more than 100 million years lived on Earth. Today, you will get a rare behind-the-scenes encounter with one of Jurassic World's most incredible raptors, Blue. A word of warning. Although you're safe behind the enclosure, please keep your distance. Despite all of our work here, raptors remain carnivores with killer instincts. And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I don't like that. I'm gonna get back. Oh my God.
Here, Blue, come. Blue, keep your eyes here, on me. Steady, Blue, steady. All right, Blue, we're moving to your right, my left. We're good. Now let's move to your left, my right. Good, Blue, good. Shall we do this again, Blue? Easy. Blue, stand down. Stay right there. Good, Blue. Good, Blue. Eyes on me. Blue. Blue, here, watch it. Good, good. And we're moving. Blue, this is for you. Good. Eyes up. Now, go. Remarkable creatures, aren't they? Now you've seen how our animal behaviorists train a raptor. Thank you for coming, and please enjoy the rest of your time at Jurassic World.
Woo!